Hey guys, it's Garrett with RPM Diecast, and today we're looking at two 1/43 scale diecast cars from Hot Wheels. The Nissan Skyline R34 Millennium Jade Green Nismo, and the Mercedes-Amg Gt3. Let's go unbox these, and then I'll come back and share my thoughts. Okay, now that we're back, I only have one gripe with these. One. And that is that, so Hot Wheels makes a product and they're pullbacks. And the one thing I like about these over those, the only thing is the doors open. I know it's small, I know it's a small detail, but I like being able to see the detail in the interior. I really enjoy that. I like opening hoods, I like opening trunks, I like being able to see more of the car, which these don't have. The one thing that these do have that this one doesn't is that this is plastic wheels, and these are the real riders, the rubber wheels, which I do like. That is a bonus for them. These are $30 each. They're $30 each, and then they're $35 if you go to Toys R Us. So each, which is insane. These, I can't remember, I think they're $10. These are way less quality. These have way less quality for sure. But I do like that the door's open. Again, it's a small thing that I like. Other people might not, you might not, but I enjoy that, so I'm able to see the interior and stuff. I do like these castings. I didn't like the first two that they put out in this 143 in this premium. Because in Canada here, they were cutting the tape and they were putting the pullbacks. Because they made exact pullbacks in the exact same color and they were putting them in this packaging. And no one was none the wiser. So people were buying these, hoping to get the premium, and they were getting the pullbacks that were just swapped. So that sucked. But these two castings, I love. I like solid colors. I love it when it's just one color. I don't mind the liveries like on this one. I don't mind it at all. I do think the gray, red, and black, gorgeous colors to put all together. But yeah, I really enjoy these. I do wish that the doors opened. I know it's picky, but it's something that I like, that I wish they did. Subscribe and like, keep on collecting.